Hey everyone, snowstorm or ice storm. People mix them up all the time, but they're very different, and one is usually way more destructive. Let's break it down fast.
A snowstorm is what you picture. Fluffy snow falling. The air stays cold, below freezing, from the clouds all the way to the ground. Snowflakes stay frozen and pile up. Several inches in a short time equals snowstorm. Add strong winds, 35 plus mph, near zero visibility, and it lasts 3+ hours, right pointing arrow blizzard. Biggest problems: heavy snow to shovel, drifting, slippery roads, annoying but usually plowable. An ice storm is sneaky and brutal. There's a warm air layer aloft that melts snow into rain. That rain falls through a shallow cold layer near the ground, becomes supercooled, and freezes instantly on contact with anything: trees, wires, roads. Official ice storm equals at least 1/4 inch, 6 millimeters, of clear ice buildup. Even that small amount is dangerous. It causes trees and branches snapping under ice weight, power lines collapsing, right pointing arrow long outages, roads become pure ice, right pointing arrow huge crashes, black ice everywhere. So what is snowstorm? Snow, frozen the whole way down. Its main danger for accumulation and low visibility.
And ice storm is freezing rain, liquid that flash freezes, and its main danger for heavy ice damage, outages, impossible travel.
Many meteorologists say ice storms often cause more widespread chaos than big snow events.
If you liked our channel, then subscribe. It's free now.